In fairness, my Xbox One is day one, and it has had a hammering. Three of us have been using it constantly. It's had a tough life, but it's been loyal. I really should honour it and put it away, and maybe I will. Maybe I'll get an S or something to tide me over to the new Xbox. But for now, I've got to try and fix this. So there is a technique you can do. Excuse me, nearly choked to death there. But anyway, there is a technique you can do by resetting, factory reset. I'll just show you how you can do that. First of all, you just need to turn off your Xbox One. Let it go off properly. Right, now, this is tricky. So what you got to do is then you got to turn it on, hold the button, and hold sync until you hear a beep. So I'm going to do that together now. Hold it. Get that sync button. Yeah. Hold two together. You'll hear a second beep. Come on, second beep. There you go. That's the second beep. So you hold sync and power button, and there you have your factory reset options. So what you want to do is you want to just go reset this Xbox. So just go down, turn on your joypad first of all. That would help, wouldn't it? My joypad is on. Okay, so joypad's on. You're going to reset this Xbox. Now here you can remove everything. There's no point. Keep your games and apps. Makes sense because you want to play them again. So just press keep games and apps.